This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef stock powder. First, you'll create a rich, flavorful beef stock. Start by roasting beef bones, perhaps 4 pounds, with vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions for about 30 minutes to deepen their flavor. Then, transfer them to a large pot, adding 16 quarts of water and your chosen aromatics. Simmer this mixture gently for at least 12 hours to extract maximum flavor and nutrients. After simmering, strain all the solids from your beef stock, leaving only the liquid. Then, refrigerate the stock overnight. This allows any remaining fat to solidify on top. Carefully skim off all the hardened fat, as fat does not dehydrate well and can cause spoilage. Now, gently simmer the defatted stock over medium-low heat, reducing its volume until it becomes a thick, gravy-like consistency, concentrating all those wonderful flavors. Once your stock is reduced to a thick concentrate, it's time to dehydrate it. Spread the warm, gravy-like liquid thinly onto non-stick dehydrator sheets. Set your dehydrator to 160 degrees Fahrenheit and dry for approximately 24 hours or until completely brittle. If using an oven, set it to its lowest temperature, around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake until the concentrate is fully dry. It should snap easily and feel completely non-sticky. Finally, break the completely dried beef stock into smaller, manageable pieces. Transfer these pieces to a high-speed blender or a dedicated spice grinder. Process until you achieve a very fine, consistent powder. Store your homemade beef stock powder in an airtight container, away from light and heat, for optimal freshness. To use, simply mix 1 1/4 teaspoons of powder with 1 cup of hot water for a delicious, rich beef broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.